Hello, Jim from Tech Buzz, new product in, and it's ProScreenCast, and it's the SC01 model, so it's a true 4K wireless display adapter. In other words, it's similar to Chromecast and stuff like that, but some limitations and does have some more benefits. So you've got Apple, iOS, Windows, and Android. So this is multi-platform. On the bottom, you've got 4K 60 Hz. HDR works on both 2.5, 2.4 and 5G, multiple OS, low latency, and portrait and landscape. So this can work on any kind of screen. So if you have those long screens that are, which is becoming popular now, where people use them in their office as opposed to just their standard screen, it can work on any of those. It'll auto fill into that, and that's pretty much it. So it doesn't work with apps having HDCP video copyright. So you're talking Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and all that kind of stuff there. And you've got DNLA. It works with Mac, AirPlay as well, and of course Google Chrome. So this is pretty much it. And what it looks like, it's a nice looking little package, and it's very simple to set up. So all you need to do is just pop it into your TV with your HDMI, and away you go, and there's no app required, which is good. And again, it supports 5G and 2.4. There's a lot of products now that'll only support 2.4, which is kind of annoying, but this does both and 5G, so this is great, which is perfect. And ideal for using in hotels and the likes of stuff, which I travel to a lot. You know what hotels are like for blocking stuff. There's your solution there. So let's open it up and take a peek inside before we show you what to expect should you want to pick one up. And there we go. Simple presentation. And there it is. It's actually smaller than it is in the box by the looks of it. Tiny bit. So that's the size you're looking at there, which is nice and small and neat, and it's got some vents on the bottom there, and it's also got some rubber footing there too, and venting on the side, HDMI and your power, and a single button on it there. And of course you get your cables inside, which is nice to see. So there's your HDMI cable there, and there's your USB-C A and USB-C. So we have a little booklet. Let's have a look in here. It'll basically just show you how to install. So you're just going to pop this into the back of that, into your TV, into this back of this, and plug it in. That's all there is to it, really. And that's it there. This is what the book looks like here. And that's it. So you can see, as I mentioned, on the back there, it'll work with Windows, iOS, Android, Google Home, and you can switch from landscape to portrait as well, as mentioned there, if you have one of those screens that do that. And that's really it. So simple as that. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect it up. I'm going to test it both on Android and iOS, as that's what we use, and show you what to expect and what the picture quality is going to be like and all that kind of stuff. So stay tuned after the break for more. So once powered up, you will see this option come up onto your TV. You've got 4 different steps there. You can connect on your mobile PC and connect to Wi-Fi. You can scan the QR code, go into your browser, or go to the user manual there, and you've got the options there in front of you which to select. So it's up to you which one to pick. Everyone might want a different way or have a different way of doing things, but that's it for now. So now we're going to set up on both Android and iOS and show you what to expect. Okay, so when you get set up, you will see here cast to ProScreenCast, and away you go. Okay, so once connected, then you'll take out your phone and you will open up your gallery or whatever the case may be. And as you can see there's a picture of my phone casting to the new box, and you can scroll across and that's just showing you this is some other stuff we're working on and what it's going to look like. That's really about it. So you can slide this cable out and that's pretty much it. Job is done. So next of all you'll just have to put it all back together, which we're going to do. Okay, so next up is the speakers. So what you're going to do is get a small screwdriver again and remove these screws here on top. So next up here is what the package comes in. And that's really about it on that. So you can basically cast anything from your smartphone. So if you want to go into YouTube, for example, then from there you just simply open up your YouTube app, and what you'll do is go to your channel, go up to a video, and I'll show you now. A nice bass now, but again, you select cast. Sometimes it can knock off like that, and you'll see connecting to Screencast, and there we go. It's just buffering there. Our Wi-Fi is actually crap here a lot of the time, so you can customize here. So that's it. It's basically just a simple streaming device. You can do this with your Android phone, your iOS phone, and cast directly onto your TV. And just to wrap things up, this is the interface you'll have on your phone. So once you're connected, you'll have these options in here. You have also got the easy channel, which will come up on the screen as well. You've got your language, your game, Miracast mode, which you can turn on and off, HDR on and off as well, so you have game and video. Portrait mode, which you can change the device angle, but you can do that from the button on the device itself. Your Wi-Fi channel, easy air, power saving, upgrade, reboot and reset to factory default, and your different resolutions in there as well, which are popping out of. So that's basically it and what to expect if you pick up that. Do let us know what you think, and it's a nice handy device to carry, which is to say the likes of a hotel or anything like that. We're traveling away and you just want to get around all them kind of things. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next one.